You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this commune in France, a seaside town on the French Riviera. For more useful French vocabulary and names of places around there as well that many mispronounce, make sure to stay tuned. Beaulieu-sur-Mer. Beaulieu-sur-Mer, that's how we say it in French. Sur-mer meaning on the sea, of course. In English you can say it as Beaulieu-sur-Mer. Beaulieu-sur-Mer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.